Hey Penny, this is Kimba. I'm going to give you a quick video. I'm not using the actual video in picture because I'm still working and I haven't taken a shower yet, so I don't want to share that with you. So let me go over how you can get it up on the screen. Now, all I did was after it was installed, you see how you have this little camera guy up here? When you click on it, one of the options is configure recording, which of course it's grayed out because I'm recording right now. But when you click on that, you have the option to make the choices of the things you want to record, whether it be, the audio, the insight, the desktop. So I have it configured. I have everything clicked except for the insight video because I didn't want to show up on it. So since I clicked that, as you can see, I can show you everything that's going on with my screen. Now, once I'm done showing you all the cool stuff that it'll do, let me go move around on my Facebook page. You see how it all works, you can see it. So when I'm done, if I go back up to the little camera, I just hit stop. Now, once I hit stop, then it'll open up to my actual ScreenFlow, which is one that I had recorded earlier. So as you can see with this ScreenFlow, this is my desktop, which all I did was a PowerPoint presentation. This is the video in picture. So I just sat in front of my computer with the PowerPoint up, and when I was ready, I hit record, and I just recorded it and moved the PowerPoint, at the particular times and talked about it. So that was just one way to do it. I've done it where I'm actually walking through somebody how to actually use the software. Now, after this is all done, when you're finished, and you open it up, this is how it shows it in ScreenFlow. So it shows it in two ways. The built-in site, which is me on the video, and then the actual screen recording. So it shows it this way because you can actually take parts away or keep it. So we're just going to keep it, and if I just hit the play button here, you can see how it's playing on the screen. And I can move this little guy anywhere I want, to start it or go backwards. Then up here, this is about the video properties. This is about the audio properties. This is the screen recording properties. This allows you to do a call out action. So if you wanted to take the cursor down to, to bring like this area up front, zoom it in, then that's what a call out would be. And then of course you can do titles. You can add a text box. You can have titles rolling across, and you can add additional audio media behind it. So that's the basic down and dirty of how to use it. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go up to the top, and we're going to look at the menu here real quick. Preferences, you'll want to, of course, go through that. You always want to go through your preferences and make sure you have things set correctly. File, this is where you would set a new recording. You want to open what you just did, or if you want to open the recent ones, as you can see, it opens up the recent ones. I can also do save as, and I can automatically publish it up to YouTube or publish it to Flash. So when you hit publish to YouTube, of course it'll go and ask you a couple of questions, and it'll go put it up on YouTube for you. And I think you probably know this, YouTube holds it as long as it's under 15 minutes. You can also do a straight export if you're going to be doing other things with it. Editing it, you can do, of course, all these different editings. You can, split the clips. You can take the audio out. You can add a freeze frame. You can trim the front. So that's if you want to take out like the first 3 seconds because you were pausing, or if you want to end it, you want to set up some transition so it looks really cool when you move from one thing to another. You can use the pointer. You can also do here, you can insert your text box. You can adjust your fonts if you want to do things differently. Actions, this is add a video action, add an audio action, add a call out, add screen recording, go to the next action. It takes you through all the different things. And then your views for zooming in and zooming out. Your windows, which we don't need to actually go through that, but when you go through the windows, it'll take you through other ones. Like this is one that I was playing with yesterday for you, and I could just move back and forth, that way, which is one of the ways to move. So that's just the down and dirty. So I'm going to save this. shoot this up to you up on YouTube and send you a link. Okay? Bye.